Hey there, fellow foragers and drinks enthusiasts. I'm James the Forager, and today we will be crafting a unique concoction, a nettle tequila margarita. It is delightful. First things first, we're going to full nature mode. We're going to grab our basket and venture into the wild to gather some of those fresh nettle tops. If you prefer, wear gloves. That means you won't get stung, or go hardcore, no gloves. We can pick the tops, stems, and older leaves for this one. Once we've picked kitchen, and now's the time to transform these nettles. We're going to chuck nettle tops, and mix it all in with some of. We're going to leave that to infuse for about, ideally 4 weeks, but to be honest, a couple of hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, will still give you some nice flavour. Infusion's finished, and we've patiently waited. It's time to unveil our magical nettle tequila. We'll strain the nettle tequila out from the nettles and pop it into a bottle. Feel super fancy to put it in any bottle you like. But that's our nettle tequila done. Let's head over now to the margarita now we've got that. We'll grab a shaker to start with. Could be classic tin on tin combo or just a jar with a lid, whatever works to shake this together. Start by squeezing the juice out of 1 lime and the juice out of 2 lemons. We're going to put it into our shaker. Then we're going to add a double measure of Cointreau or other orange liqueur. Next, the sugar syrup. We're going to add double measure of that into our shaker. If you want to make your own sugar syrup, you can do that. Super simple. Equal parts of sugar and water, and pop it in the microwave until it's fully dissolved. About 30 seconds will be more than enough. Finally, we're going to pour our double measure of that earthy nettle tequila we made earlier into the shaker. We'll fill it with ice and we'll give it a really good shake. I mean, shake it as much as possible. We're trying to make this liquid super, super cold. We're almost there now. We're going to get these margaritas dressed to impress. Take a slice of lime and we'll gently rub it around the rim of the chosen glass and dip that in some fancy flaky salt. We'll grab our freshly margaritas and pour them into these rimmed glasses, and that's it. We've got our nettle tequila margaritas. What an absolute joy. Thanks for joining me on this wild margarita adventure. Till next